Hello there everyone, Matt from Geekstalgia here, and I've been online shopping again. This time I've been buying the Marvel Legends Classic Selection, the sort of anniversary editions of what they're doing. For this hefty boy is the Incredible Hulk, and when I say hefty, he is hefty. It's a very heavy box. But we're going to get this in the light box, we're going to get it open and show him off. And as always, a friendly reminder, this is not a review video. This is just me showing off all the things that I'm spending my money on so you too can share the pain of my wallet. There he is, guys, finally out of the box. And when I say finally, it took me a very long time to get him out of the box. I nearly turned it into the Hulk myself. He did not want to come out of that plastic, but he is finally free. He can finally breathe. We're going to take a closer look at the accessories first. So we've got two closed fist sort of Hulk smash hands, which I'll probably use those to be honest when I pose him on my shelf. We've got an extra head with a kind of, I guess you can call it a straining to poop face. He does not look in the best of moods right there. We've got the two backdrops. We've got a sort of, we'll look at this one first, a sort of smashed out of the wall Hulk, so I suppose you can get like an action pose. And a sort of classic cover featuring, we've got the Hulk, MODOK, Abomination, Juggernaut, Rhino, and the Leader on there. Two stands. We've got a black one that just says Marvel Legends on it, and we've got this kind of street-based one. I guess it goes with the reversal of that backdrop. But let's take a closer look at the figure. Oh, it also comes with this gold thing. I'm not sure what that is. If you do know, let me know in the comments, please. I have absolutely no idea what that is. It will just go in my box of accessories. But let's take a closer look at the figure himself. So, lots of posability. We've got this sort of rib flexing. We've got arm bending, arm rotation, shoulder joints, hands. Again, as always, this is not a review video. I'm not sure the names of the actual joints. There's always those guys who know far more than I do, but there's lots of possibilities for posability with this guy. Very impressed with the detail in the body sculpt. He looks angry, as he should do. He is the Hulk. It is the first Hulk to add to my collection, the first Hulk figure I've ever owned. And I'm actually kind of glad it is this one. I'm really happy with it. If you're into your Marvel Legends, and you're looking for something that's not the MCU based stuff, then this new sort of anniversary collection that Marvel Legends are doing, I highly recommend. I do really want to get that Captain America and Iron Man. Maybe not Toad, who knows, I haven't actually seen him anywhere. But even when I do get them, guys, I will post it on here. But on the whole, very happy. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you want to see more, then please subscribe. As always, it's up to you. I'm not your dad. But for now, guys, thanks very much for watching. Take care, and we will see you soon. Say bye, Hulk.